Okay, so what they've done is they've put in the waterproofing for the walls. So two things. They've come in and the black stuff is an emulsion, sticky. It's kind of like a tar, like a Henry's 107 or something, but they spray that on, give it a good thick coat. The next thing is that they come on here and they put this covering over it, and it's kind of a two-fold covering. It's a fabric, as you can see, but it's also a thick plastic, it's kind of an egg cart kind of plastic. They use this same kind of stuff for crawl spaces in homes. So, but it's nice and thick. Now at the very bottom down here, let me see if I can zoom in on this, you're going to see that black 8 or 9 inches. That is a drain. So there's fabric around that stuff, and on the other side of that fabric is holes. So this acts as a French drain as opposed to, say, a pipe that goes in the ground and so on. So as the water comes towards the wall down here, it would hit this. Water would soak into that and then would come around here and down and down and down and down, and as you'll see down here at the very, see that pipe? See the pipe right down there. Whoops. See, I got a finger right here. That pipe right down there. That then would be the drain line. It would tie into the rest of the drains. So, cool process. I can't say that I've ever seen this done before, but theoretically it should work very, very well. So they it's a three-step process. So you got the emulsion, that tar type substance, then you got the plastic keeping the water away from the wall, and then you've got the drain that's down here. Providing that doesn't fail, it should work just fine. So you can see that all the way down the side for the front porch, which is coming in right here. So, and filled this whole front porch area in with rock. So that over time will tamp itself down a little bit and look a little bit better before they pour the cement on it.